Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Now we will discuss about examples of mensuration. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 223. Example 1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. A bit. Children, here you see, mark the first units. This is 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So all have different sides. So this is a scale and triangle. So what is the formula of scale and triangle or perimeter? Just you add all the sides. Then comes to B bit. Here you see 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 26 centimeter, 26 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. So it is a rectangle. The rectangle formula is, perimeter formula is P equal to 2L plus 2B. 2L means this is length and this is breadth. 2 multiply 26 plus 2 multiply 12. Okay, then you add. Then comes to C bit. Here you see all sides are equal. So it is a rhombus. The perimeter of rhombus is 4A. Means 4 multiply units. 4 multiply 7. Then is a pentagon. 5 sides are there. So here you see it is an irregular figure. Means all sides are different. Okay. 13, 12, 17, 15, 15. Okay, just you add all the bits, then you get your answer. Here also and here also. These two are irregular figures. Just add all the sides and get your answer. Okay, children? Then comes to example 2. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length equal to 50 centimeter and breadth equal to 35 centimeter. So here we have find out what? Perimeter of a rectangle. Very easy. Just you put your formula 2 multiply L plus B. Means length plus breadth. Here length and breadth. Okay, 50 plus 35. Multiply 2. Then example 3. The length and breadth of a rectangular park are 150 meter and 75 meter respectively. Respectively means children, here first breadth is given. So breadth is 150. Length is 150 meter. Then breadth is 75 meter. Okay, respectively you see. Then find the distance covered by Vikram if he takes its 4 rounds. So first we have to find out 1 round, then we get easily 4 rounds. He covered means first we find out the perimeter. The perimeter is, you know the formula. First find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Means this is the 1 round, distance covered 1 round. Then if you multiply 4, then you get your answer, that is distance covered in 4 rounds. Okay. Then example 4. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2.640 kilometer. The length and breadth of its sides are in the ratio 5:3. Okay, here length and breadth given but ratio format. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So children, first you mark what are the data. Data given perimeter and length breadth given ratio format. So first you write the data. Let the length and breadth of the rectangle be, you take just length and breadth just 5x and 3x respectively. Perimeter of the rectangle is this much. Here you see different units are there. meter and centimeter. Here you see, this is kilometer, okay, and this is meter. So we have to convert first kilometer to meter. Then we put the formula, perimeter equal to 2 multiply L plus B. Okay. Then 2 multiply 5x plus 6x means 5 plus 3 is 8x. 8 multiply 2 is 16x. 16x equal to 2640 meter. But we have to find out the x value. Then we get the answer. X equal to 2640 by 16. If we move this 16 in right side, then we divide this 16 with the perimeter. Okay. Thus, length of the rectangle is what? Here we get x value. So we put 5 multiply 165 meter. 5 we multiply, children, because we know length means 5x. So x multiply 5 and breadth means 3x. So 3 multiply 165. So now we get the value of length and value of breadth. Clear? Example 5. Find the length of a rectangular plot of length whose perimeter is 150 meter and the breadth is 30 meter. Okay. So here we have to find out length. Perimeter is given and breadth is given. Here we see the solution, children. First you put the formula you know. Length formula equal to P by 2 minus B. P means perimeter. So 150 by 2 minus 30. That is 75 minus 30 is 45 meter. Okay. So children, first you remember all the formulas of perimeter. Then it is easy for you to calculate. Okay. Then comes to example 6. Length of the rectangular park is 780 meter and its breadth is 320 meter. What would it cost to fence the park at the rate of 7.50 rupees per meter? So children, here what we do? Just first find out the perimeter. Okay. Here you see, this is rectangular path or rectangular figure. So we have to find out first what? Perimeter. So put the formula 2 multiply L plus B. Then you get the perimeter. Then according to the question, cost of facing 1 meter is this much. Then total we have 2200 meter. So cost of facing 2200 meter equal to just we multiply. Okay. Then comes to example 7. If a wire of length 267 centimeter be bent to form an equilateral triangle, then find the length of the sides of the triangle. So these questions means here given the perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Okay. So we write perimeter of the equilateral triangle will be this much. Then side, we know the formula A equal to P by 3. So perimeter by 3. So we get 89 meter. Then example 8. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, square, a regular hexagon of side this much. Side is fixed, but we have to find out equilateral triangle, square, rectangular hexagon. So we keep in mind all the formulas. Then we find out. Perimeter of a equilateral triangle is 3a. Perimeter square is 4a. Perimeter of regular hexagon is 6a. So children, like this we find out the perimeter. Then comes to example 9. If Hitesh runs a distance of 7 km and 800 meter in going round a rectangular stadium ground 3 times. Then find the length of the ground knowing that its width is 330 meter. Let's see the solution. Distance covered in 3 rounds 7 km 800 meter means 7800 meter. But first we find out distance covered in 1 round, that is 2600 meter, and this is the perimeter of that ground. Then width of the ground means here given 330 meter means breadth is given. Then we have to find out length. We know length formula, half p minus breadth. Okay, you put the values, the formula, then we get the answer. Then comes to example 10. Two sides AB and BC of triangle ABC are 28 cm and 38 cm respectively. Find the length of the sides AC if the perimeter of triangle ABC is 100 cm. So here given two sides of a triangle. So also given what? Perimeter. So we have to find out the third sides. Okay, we know according to the formula AB plus BC plus C equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, then we have to find out CA. So first we add other sides, then we subtract from 100. CA equal to 100 minus 66, that is 34. Then comes to example 11. Silpa takes 2 rounds along a square park of side 135 meter and Rimpy takes 4 rounds a rectangular park with length 75 meter and breadth 40 meter. Who covers more distance and by how much? So children, separately we find out the perimeter, then we see who covered faster. Distance covered by Silpa in 1 round is equal to perimeter of the square field of the side 135 meter. So you find out the perimeter. Then distance covered by Silpa in 2 rounds. This is 1 round and we have to find out 2 rounds. So 1080 meter. Then total distance covered by Silpa is this much. Then distance covered by Rimpy in 1 round equal to perimeter of the rectangular field. The perimeter is 230 meter. But we have to find out 4 rounds. So we multiply 4, we get 920 meter. Thus total distance covered by Rimpy is 920 meter. So here Silpa covered more distance. Then excess distance covered by Silpa is just we subtract 1080 meter minus 920 meter equal to 160 meter. Okay children. So these are all examples of perimeter. Next video we will discuss about the exercise. Before that you practice all the examples and learn all the formulas. Children, first what you do, you write serially all the formulas. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, like this you write, okay, in one page. Then it is easy for you to learn. Then practice all examples. Then when we do the exercise, it will be easy for you. Okay? Thank you.